Hello guys, welcome back to the Let Us Build Wealth channel. And today we're going to be discussing a problem that one of my students had. And they didn't work it out yet, but we're going to discuss it today. Okay, they have a car loan. And remember what we talked about with debt. You got to clear up all your debt before you can move forward with your life to building wealth. So they went and purchased a car. So they went all out of control. They went off the plan to building wealth, and they wanted to get what satisfied them. You got to watch when you do that. It's okay to do that, but not when you don't have the money to back it up. So they went and bought a car loan. The car loan is $27,000. They've been watching a channel about velocity banking. So they thought that they was going to go and pay the credit card and pay a lot off, which their credit card is only $2,100. So they thought they were going to put the $2,100 on the car loan and then pay off the credit card and then do it again the velocity banking way, which they say that you can pay it off faster with velocity banking. But what happened was when they called Global Lending say they do not take credit card because that is a debt and they don't pay a debt with another debt. So that was out. So now they stuck with this car loan paying this $510 payment plus insurance, and your job is only giving you $30,000 a year. So now he is screwed because not only did he get off the wealth building journey, he put himself in the shit pile up hole. So how he's going to get out of this? You guys got any comments? You guys put in and let me know how could he get out of it. One way I told him to get out of it was you got to go pick up a second job. You got to go pick up a second job. And your second job is got to pay for this mess you in. It's $27,000. He didn't tell me the interest. But if his car note is 520, 510 or 520. If his car note is that much money and he's with Global Lending, that means your credit wasn't good. Your credit wasn't good with the start. So when you went into one of these side car dealerships and you gave them a like $4,000 or $5,000 down, which did not go towards your car loan, that's what you thought, but it did not. The car people just took that money. You owe $27,000 on this car, plus the interest, and you with Global Lending, which is a lending company that charge almost $300 interest rate. So if your car note is 510 or 520, might be 400 or 450 is going to Global Lending, and the rest is going to the principal of the car. So it's going to take you at least 7 or 8 years to pay off this car, which how you building wealth? You're not. So what you're going to do, you're going to have to do to get past this, you're going to have to get a second job. So now the extra time you had to go enjoy with friends, be with family, you got to pay for this car with it. Don't go thinking that, I can get another credit card, because they don't take credit cards, because they say credit cards is a debt and you can't pay one debt to pay off another. So don't believe velocity banking. Velocity banking works. It works, but not for mortgages. And now we know some car lendings don't take credit card. So before you jump into that, call the lending where you paying your car note to and ask them, do they accept credit cards? And 9 out of 10, they don't. So now, what you're going to have to do to get yourself back on track, pick up a second job, pay your regular payment, and then put $500, $1,000, whatever extra towards the principal. Listen to me. pay your regular car note. And when you pay your extra, you call them and you tell that car, Global Lending, that this is going towards my principal, not interest, my principal. So that what's going to count for you to pay down that car. That's what you're going to count for you to pay down that car. And it may take you, maybe 2 years, but you add it up and see how much you paying extra to the principal, how long it's going to take you to pay off the car. I give it 2.5 years. So that's my thought, and that's my advice for you. And that's the strategy that I'm giving you to use to get out of this shithole you got yourself in, so you can get yourself back on building wealth. Bye.